Hi, I'm Chris Curran. I'm here on the TMB booth at ISE 2026 in Barcelona, and we're here today to talk about TMB's world-famous Pro cables. For the past 42 years, TMB's been creating cable assemblies for the Pro AVL market worldwide. With manufacturing locations in Los Angeles, New York, Toronto, UK, Latvia, and Beijing, we're able to create custom cable assemblies for any of your market needs. Most of these cable assemblies are made with our world-famous Pro cables and ProPlex. We currently have over 70 plus cables on our individually made range, plus we work with a range of major manufacturers of HO7, and in the US, SO and SJ cables as well. We work with a wide range of connector manufacturers. We have some of our own proprietary, such as our Pro Series, which is on our 18-core cable for multi-pin uses. We also work with leading manufacturers such as Neutrik and Seatronic on data connectors, also on the ProPlex cables. One of the unique things about TMB and the cable assemblies is our ability to do customization. Whether it's heat shrinks, barcoding, color coding, or just making that cable look the way you need it for your company, very easy and standard practice here at TMB. We were the first and we are still the best in cable manufacturing. With offices everywhere, check us out. We're happy to build whatever you need. I'm Chris at TMB, so look us up, www.tmb.com.